Let's also pull up the stock price then of an elder pharmaceutical. We've got the management with us. Anuj Saxena, Managing Director, now joins in on the show. Anuj, thanks very much for being with us. Start off with the rationale for venturing into the skincare segment. How much funds have you set aside for the venture and how much are you hoping to garner from the same?
Well, skincare as such is one of the biggest markets in the FMCG space, and we've just launched a range of skincare products with a range of face washes. It's called Skin Origins. If I take the particular face wash market per se, it's about a 700 crore market, and we are looking at in the first year getting maybe 1 to 2% of market share. The range would obviously be expanded over a period of time, starting with 5 variants now. And it's not going to be an ATL driven brand because the category as such does not need a major investment in terms of promotion. It's more BTL driven. So the investments will not be significant for us right now. But the market opportunity is there because the market is growing at more than 50% both in terms of value and volume.
Anuj, afternoon, Neeraj here. So the question really is that if indeed the market is growing in such a stable fashion, in order to grow at the market rate or better than the market rate, would you need to do any kind of price tinkering, or you would be able to manage to get the market share?
We have made the product affordable. Right now what we're doing is obviously looking at a price advantage and coming up with other USPs. We're launching the product at 60 ml packing at price at 60 rupees, which is a bit less than what the market is already offering. And in terms of what we're offering to the product is the USP in terms of composition and volume is much more per product. In terms of what you asked me in terms of investments, like I said, we're not looking at major monies being involved in the face wash category. Yes, as a skincare in totality, in the next 6 months or so, we're looking at expanding the portfolio. And then maybe in 2013 is when we're looking at major investments in this category. Because skincare is one of the categories that Elder Healthcare is looking at in terms of the overall portfolio of its own products. Right now it's an initial entry for us. So we think that with our plans and what we're looking at, we would manage the kind of market shares and volume that we want.
Give us a sense, Anuj, also of the new products that the company is likely to launch in FY13.
Well, the focus now in Elder Healthcare is obviously to put our own brands. We have been launching a couple of products in the last few months. I don't know if you're aware, Elder Healthcare was the licensee of Tiger Balm for quite some time, and we gave up the brand a few months ago because the focus for us now is to invest in our own products and brands going forward. We just got into our own pain management. We launched our own brand about 4 months ago, an Elder Balm. We call it Elder Balm. With the strong and mild variety. Last month we've just come into the muscle up category. We've just got the product going into the market. It's a brand called Respite. So pain management per se with Elder Balm and Respite would be one of the focus areas for us. Skincare, the first point obviously Skin Origin, the face washes, which would be expanded. Octane is one of our key brands. It's a deodorant, and this is the brand that we will now extend into the complete men's care category, coming up with hair gels, EDT, and those kind of products in the next 6 to 9 months. So as a company, the focus would be on pain management. Yep.
Anuj, sorry, out of time completely. Just wanted to get a quick word in. March 11, I see you've done correct me if I'm wrong, but 115 odd crores in top line, 1.5 crore or 2 crores in terms of bottom line. How much better you think you can do in FY12?
Okay. Yep. The company's been growing at 40% for the last 4 to 5 years. We intend to maintain that rate.